cars, windshields, wheels, trucks and doors. They drive and honk, we ride along, and then together sing a song. Cars! Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The little cars are playing at the playground. They're having so much fun. Oh, look! A yellow leaf is falling from that tree. Fall has come. Cars, if fall has arrived, it means the weather will get colder. We need to build a garage to shelter from the wind and rain. It seems only the purple car understands this. And its friends have decided to keep playing. The cars went to play on the swings. This is the helper car's garage. They will help the little car build a big, sturdy garage. We'll need a lot of help. A crane, a forklift truck, an excavator, a concrete mixer, and a dump truck head to the construction site. Show them where you want to build the garage. Here. Take a stick and draw the outline of the garage on the ground. The foundation will be a rectangle. The excavator gets to work. The dump truck unloads the construction blocks. The crane lays the blocks in the trench. And you get a wall. The other cars still haven't come to help. The building continues without them. Oh, the crane ran out of construction blocks. Here comes the concrete mixer. It pours cement mixture into the molds from its drum. There are different colored molds for different shapes. Let's pour in the cement mixture and close the mold. Are those lazy cars still playing on the swings? Oh no, it's starting to rain. You can't play on the swings anymore. You need to get out of the rain. The red car doesn't want to go anywhere. It's still playing on the swings. The blue car is trying to build a garage from the remaining blocks, but they're different shapes. It doesn't look very sturdy, but the clever little car's garage is almost ready. Excavator, are you free now? Please help the blue car dig a hole. The excavator goes to help. The crane brings a block for the small garage. Oh, the red car is really cold. The rain doesn't seem to be stopping. Where can we take shelter? Under the slide? No, the little car doesn't fit. Look, wooden boards. Maybe you could build a garage with them. Did it work? It looks like a makeshift shelter. Get in. We'll see if it works. The shelter made of thin boards fell down. And the blocks collapsed too. The blue car is stuck and can't get out. Quick, to the rescue! Let's move the blocks. Hooray! And now everyone is off to shelter from the rain. It's good that the helper cars and the purple car built a good, sturdy garage.
Cars, cars, cars. Windshields, wheels, trucks and doors. They drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song. Cars! Cars, 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 cars. Made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
This is an airport. A little excavator is clearing the field for the airplanes and cars. There sure is a lot of snow today. Look, there's even snow on top of the control tower. Inside the tower, there's a sleeping puppy. Wake up, tower control. An airplane's coming in. The airplane is starting to land. It's already lowering its landing gear, but the runway is covered with snow. The tower refused permission to land. The puppy is off to bring some help. Here's the helper car's garage. Which of the helper cars can most quickly help clear the runways today for landing planes? The puppy is asking all of them to help. The snowblower is clearing the road. It scoops up the snow with its spinning blade and throws it to the side of the road. The front end loader collects the snow into piles. The plane is landing. Perfect landing. A Follow Me service car is waiting at the end of the runway. It guides the airplane to the parking area. A boarding stairs truck pulls up to the airplane's door. Now the passengers can exit. 4 kittens have arrived on the plane. A shuttle bus will take them to the airport terminal. A fuel truck is driving up. It's going to refuel the plane for its next flight. Inside the airport terminal gate, little cars are waiting. The kittens have just arrived, and the little cars are going to fly out on the same plane. The boarding stairs truck is at the airplane door. The little cars are going up to board the plane. The boarding stairs pull away and the door closes, but the plane can't take off yet. Look how much snow there is. This de-icing machine treats the airplane with special de-icing fluid. The plane mustn't fly with ice on its body and wings. Look how the snow and ice are disappearing. Great job! Thank you. The Follow Me service car shows the airplane the way to the runway. The tower has given permission to take off. Have a good flight, airplane. The cars are returning to the garage. Your task was really hard because it was so cold out there, but you handled it perfectly.
Cars, 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 cars. Windshields, wheels, trucks and doors. They drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song. Cars! Cars, 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 cars. Made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The kitten and the puppy are playing with a frisbee. The kitten throws it, and the puppy catches it. Now the puppy is throwing it. The kitten will catch it. Ha! Missed! Throw it! Oh, that was so far! The frisbee is on the opposite side of the river. Let's see if there's a bridge anywhere to cross over to the other side. There's a bridge, but it's only for cars. The puppy and kitten are waiting for the cars to go past, but there are lots of them. What do you think? Can they swim across the river? They can't. The kitten and puppy are off to find help. Driving out of the garage are the dump truck, the crane truck, and the police car. The helper cars are setting off to work. It's time to build a pedestrian bridge. First, they'll need to take some supports and lumber to the river. The timber truck is moving its grapple. He's putting 2 arches onto its body. And the dump truck will take the heavy lumber. Let's go to the river. We'll build the bridge here. The crane truck is picking up the first arch. Perfect. The second arch is in place too. The bridge's supports are done. The dump truck is unloading the lumber. The timber truck is picking them up and carefully placing them on the bridge's supports. 1, 2, 3 pieces of lumber. The logging truck can't reach any farther. The crane truck will have to step in now. He needs to use props so he doesn't lose his balance. He's got to push his arm out very far and put his load in just the right place. The last piece of lumber. The bridge is done. There are so many cars at the lights. The convertible wants to go around them all and cross to the other side of the river over the new bridge. The police car won't let him. This bridge is for pedestrians only. Sorry, convertible. The helper cars have finished their job. They're off to the garage. The puppy is going up the bridge. He's decided to jump a little. The bridge is sturdy. And there's the frisbee. Catch, kitten. It's great that the big cars helped us. I wonder where they will go next time. You and I will definitely find out, right?
Helper cars.